Welcome back to my channel. This is Mamta Mehta and today I'm going to be creating a makeup tutorial for you people. I'm going to be creating a no makeup look for you people using all drugstore products. This is the final result what I have created. If you want to know more about this, so please keep on watching. So first things first, I'm going to be prepping my skin with the Pond's Super Light Moisturizer. This is an oil-free moisturizer and it is a gel formula. Basically, this is how the gel looks like. So I've gotten the moisturizer all over my face and I'm going to just massage it nicely and rub it all over. Just give it a minute or two to just get absorbed into your skin. Never forget to take it down on your neck. So after you're done prepping your skin, the next step is foundation. Today I'm going to be using the Nykaa Skin Genius foundation. I'm in the shade Warm Sand. I'm just going to be taking it at the back of my hand and going to blend it with a Moist Beauty Blender. So this foundation is a hydrating foundation. This blend into your skin like a dream. You can see it hardly took me around a minute or two. And it is blended into my skin so beautifully. So the next step is using a concealer. Today I'm going to be using the Instant Age Rewind Eraser by Maybelline. I'm going to be using it. So I'm going to be using the concealer for my under eyes, a little bit on my forehead, on my nose, and a little bit on my upper lips. So one quick tip. Do not just move the foundation or concealer. Try and just press the concealer and foundation. Do not move it from the place. So this is how I have blended my concealer and foundation. Always take a minute or two extra to blend the foundation and concealer into your skin. Your skin has to look flawless. So the next step is setting your face with some loose powder. I'm going to be using the Fit Me by Maybelline. This is the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder and I'm going to be using it in the shade Medium. So I'm just going to be taking the powder. I'm going to be pressing it down under my eyes and my nose. I tend to sweat a lot in my T-zone, so I'm just going to be using the powder in my T-zone and not on the entire face. I would like to just set the powder for a minute or two and then dust it off. For the next step, I'm going ahead with the eyebrow pencil. This is by Lakme. This is the Kareena Kapoor Khan Brow Definer in the shade Graffiti. This comes with a spoolie at one end and the eyebrow pencil at the other end. Brush my eyebrows first and with a very light hand I'm just going to start filling in my brows. Always use the upward motion when you start the eyebrows and then you can go a slant way. So you can see the visible difference. This is the eyebrow which I've already done and this is the eyebrow which I've not done at all. So you can see how much of a difference it makes when you do your eyebrows. So I've done my eyebrows off camera and now I'm going to be contouring my face. For contouring, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild contour palette in the shade Caramel Toffee. This comes with a banana powder and a cool tone contour. And now I'm just going to lightly start contouring my face. So contouring is done from the highest point of your cheeks and then you have to come downwards. Contouring is being done to give a shape to your face. And now I'm just going to lightly buff the contour into my foundation. So I've done my contour and you can see how chiseled and sharp your face looks. I'm going to be using the same product. I'm using the banana powder and I'm just going to be giving a sharp edge to my contour. So the next step is using a blush. I'm going to be using the Cheeky Glow by Maybelline. This is in the shade Fresh Coral. I'm just going to be taking little bit of product tapping off the excess. I'm going to be using the product on my cheeks and little bit on my nose. This blush is supremely pigmented, so please go with a very light hand and try and blend the blush into your bronzer with a very light circular motion. So this is how the blush and contour is going to look. So up next, I'm going to be using this Rose Water by Kama Ayurveda, and this will help me get rid of any excess powder from my face. I'm just going to, let this sit on my face for a minute or two and use my Damn Beauty blender just to set it. So for the eyeshadow, I'm going with a very neutral and a basic look. So I'm using the same blush by Maybelline, and I'm going to be using the blush all over my lid. I'm going to be applying the same color, a baby pink color, all over my lid, and I'm going with a very light hand. So once I'm done applying eyeshadow, I'm going ahead with the liner. This is by Lakme Absolute Shine. This is in the shade black, and this is a liquid eyeliner. I'm going ahead with a very thin winged liner. So I've done my liner off camera, and this is how it looks. I've gone with a very simple thin liner, thin wing liner. Up next, I'm going ahead with this Color Bar mascara. This is the Zoom Whoosh mascara. This comes with two wands. This is the a smaller wand which comes for your lower lashes, and this is the bigger wand which comes for your upper lashes. I will go ahead and remove the excess and curl my upper lashes. So this is the eye look which is with mascara, and this is the eye look without mascara. You can see how much of the difference it looks. Same way, I'm going to be using the thinner wand for my lower lash line. So for the last step, I'm going ahead with this lipstick by Nykaa. This is in the shade Mona Lisa, and this is a very beautiful pink brown tone. So this is the final look. This is how it looks like, and you can see. So if you like this no makeup look, please do try it at home and tag me on Instagram. If you like this video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel to know more about my upcoming videos. Till then, take care. Bye.